Int. Makeup Studio Day. The camera glides through an elegantly lit makeup studio. High-end beauty products are neatly arranged on a table. In front of a well-lit mirror, a bride sits, nervous yet excited. Bride smiles nervously. Are you sure this makeup will go well with my dress? The makeup artist, an expert in their craft, nods confidently. Makeup artist. Absolutely. Let's focus on enhancing your natural beauty. Luminous and radiant skin, lips in soft tones, and an eye look that stands out but feels timeless. Trust me, you'll look spectacular. The makeup process begins. The makeup artist carefully selects high-quality products, focusing on a lightweight foundation and illuminating products. Makeup artist.